Hello friends, this is Nell. Welcome back to my channel. I want to go over my really quick fall mantle refresh with you. What you're looking at is my mantle before. This is how it was through spring and summer, but now it's time to change it up. My wonderful coworker Lindsay found me this balance, and I definitely want to feature that on my new mantle. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see on my mantle, I have candle holders, and I was so tired of the color. I bought them years ago from Amazon, so I decided to spray them silver. But when I put it up on my wall, I didn't like it. It looked too cold. So then I decided to spray them white. And unfortunately, I don't have a picture of that, but the silver ones are up on the wall, and I just don't like the effect with all the warm tones on the mantle. So I decided to hit the drawing board one more time, and I sprayed them gold, and I was very happy with that. So I put the gold candle holders on the wall, and I began to decorate my mantle. There's one of my first owl cookie jars I purchased at Walmart a few years ago, and we don't keep cookies in it, but we do use it for decorating. And that's actually my first cookie jar, the one that looks more vintage. I put him on the mantle too. And this is some footage of me spraying the balance that my friend got me. It was brown. I just decided to highlight some of it with gold, just to make it pop a little bit and to tie in with the candle holders. I used a Rust-Oleum metallic, and the color I believe is called metallic gold. So here's the final review, the final mantle. I have all my fall leaves, my orange string lights, my beautiful balance is there, my gold candle holders, and then of course the mantle and the mirror that I purchased from Pier 1 when we first moved into the house that I just had to have. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this fall refresh. And if you like this content, please like, share, and subscribe, and comment. I would love to read your comments down below. And thank you for being a part of Home Scents with Nell. Talk to you later.